we must make a stop at the cheese store. We're doing a little tour here. We gotta stop at the cheese store. Only in Wisconsin. A store of cheese. Ah, yes. What to get? That's lots. Oh yes. We're here. Decided I'd come over and visit Lake Michigan today. It's a beautiful day. Let's go down and check it out. There's the shoreline. So it's the end of February and it's 50 degrees today. Absolutely gorgeous. The surf rolling up over there on the point. This is my ocean here. Very calm today, but ooh, she can be a beast. Now there's a skipper. I love to pick up rocks off the shore. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's cool. That one's got a fossil in it. Pretty cool. Quartz. Look at the fossils in that. I don't know if they show up. That's cool. Okay, enough of the rocks. I'm hiking along here on a beautiful day and I see that giant polyporous mushroom up here, a couple of them, on this birch tree. And then I was looking around here on the ground because the top of the tree is gone. And here is the top of the tree. So I'm going to go ahead and gather that and bring it out with me. Look at the size of that. Beautiful. I'm going to take that along with me. See what else we can find. Dead standing birch. And I'm going to peel that off. Cut down the side and peel that off. Today for my knife I have my new Glock field knife with me. So I don't have my tripod with me today, so I'm going to pause this and cut it off and then I'll show it to you afterwards. I'm just going to cut right down the side and peel it right off. I'll be right back with you. Oop. So basically, here's what we got. Here's one big chunk. That's the bottom piece. And then here's a nice, beautiful piece. Hollow all the way down. You can see the snow through it. So I'm gonna take those home and dry them out. Scored a nice sized chunk of chaga. It's been a good day. Ooh, this is such a beautiful woods that you can see. It's a lot of up and down and up and down and up and down. And snow and ice all over. There's a lot of melted areas, so I'm actually able to walk through here a little bit. I've been walking around all day and I didn't film a lot because I've been kind of slipping and sliding and stumbling, and I would just be really shaky, but I did film some stuff and I'll put it together at the end and show you what I all did today. Some was in the woods, some was by the water, all different stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna move on down the trail or through the woods here. See if I can find some more chaga, and I'll get back to you guys later on. These little bitty doe prints, well, little bitty ones. And then these are wore out, but that must be Mama right next to them. I just thought they were cute. Look how little they are. Found a tree here. See if I can get where the light's better. Covered in all kinds of amadou or horseshoe fungus. Those are awesome. I'll bring some of those home. When you're using your knife to pry stuff like this off a tree, you need a good hardy knife, and that's why I brought my Glock field knife with me today, because you can get in behind there and just pry that out and pop it right off. I mean, it just makes such easy work of it. This is such a great knife. Well, I found a small amount of chaga here. I just got a bunch off another tree. So I'm going to take this little bit here and get out of here for the day. Sun is down and it's getting dark. So I told you I'd show you when I got home what I all got, and this was my chaga haul for the day. And you know, there's some pretty good size chunks here. This one's really heavy too. I mean, that's a pretty good size piece. So, you know, some more big heavy chunks. I mean, that's some really nice stuff. Got a bunch of little smaller pieces here. I mean, that's ready. It's just got to dry out now, so I'm gonna slab those big pieces so they can dry out, and it'll be ready to go for tea. So that was a pretty good haul today. There's a couple of good pounds worth here. I mean, this piece right here, man, I gotta weigh that, but that's heavy. And you saw the 2 big tubes of birch bark that I got. Then I grabbed 5 big horseshoe fungus or amadou. So those are pretty nice. Then I found some pretty cool rocks, some fossils. Our visit, to the cheese store for the beef sticks and the cheese curds. Let me tell you, these babies here, they made them an hour and a half before I got there, and they are squeaky fresh. And you put one in your mouth and you chew it and it squeaks. Probably can't hear it, but look at that. Oh, that is extreme goodness right there. I sure had a great time today. Oh, you gotta try one of these too. Every time I go up there, gotta stop and get cheese curds and beef sticks for my backpack. and I nibble on them throughout the day. Best thing to have in your pack. Wisconsin beef sticks. Alright guys, I had a great time today. I hope you did too. We got some great stuff. And we had a great time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.